Kuhithukio kwa mwiri wori urare munene wa mitambo ya kiriu niyo ICT kamiti-ini ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC Chris Msando guthiite na mbere kuiga bururi na kimako kinene kuona giko giki gitafanitio riri githurano gitigetie hanyani na marigo. Undu uyu ni ututhurite mawoni kuma honge itiganite na miahu itiganite ya kiuteti, aingi makienda kumenya kiria kingikorwo gicungiriirie ngero ino. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni anyitanire na Akenya aria angi gucakayana nyumba ya Msando kuria athanite kugacirithio kwa ugitiri wa maabithaa a IEBC.
Na tunasema kwa polisi wafanye haraka kumaliza upelelezi wao ndio tujue ni nini, na wahakikishe ya kwamba tuataka wote wapatiwe ulinzi wa kutosha, kwa sababu hatutaki mtu yeyote aumie, hatutaki mtu yeyote atumie excuse ya kusema hatutakuwa na uchaguzi katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Oho mutongoria wa bururi ni athanite kugacirithio kwa ugitiri wa othe marahuranira giturwa kia president hamwe na anini ao.
Na tumesema pia hata wale presidential candidates wengine walindwe, wale running mates wao walindwe, kwa sababu ukora ni mwingi wakati huu na hatutaki ukora katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Kenyatta aritie mwena wa Eldoret county ya Uasin Gishu oriri ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro na sethiete na mbere guthing'iriria uthuthuria gwikwo na njira ya kinyi.
It is vital that urgent steps needed to ensure an effective investigation, such as securing the crime scene, are immediately put into place. But Kenyans have little faith in our Directorate of Criminal Investigation's resolve to identify, pursue, and bring the killers. NASA urges speedy acceptance of the US and UK offer to assist in investigating Chris Msando's killing.
NASA irekwa gikuo kia Msando gitafanitio kumana na mirugamo itiganite ya kiuteti kuria nakio gikundi gia kuhuranira ihoto cia muingi gitafanirie mururungano wa thayo gukumithia giko kiu.
The circumstances in which it has happened makes it imperative that the security aid services expedite investigations as a matter of utmost urgency. This is a national emergency because of the potential dire consequences of what has happened.
I want to assure Kenyans that there's no cause for concern. The team left behind will do the work. We don't need another expert from anywhere to continue with that exercise.
Mwiri wa Msando urahithukio githaka-ini mwena wa Kikuyu muthenya wa ira thutha wake kura gatano ga kiumia kihituku. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.